Students, welcome to the doubt session. In this session, we are going to solve doubts of the students asked in the comment section. So, if you are having any specific doubts regarding the science and maths about any topic or question in general, you can comment and we will solve your doubts like this by making a video. So, let's start with this question. Okay. So, one of the students asked in the comment section that, sir, when in this question, why did we multiply over here only by 200? So, why only 200? So this was this question. Okay, so let's read this question in order to understand why do we multiply here with specific number and why that specific number only and not any other number. Okay, so let's study over here that what volume of oxygen would be required to burn completely 400 ml of acetylene. The formula of acetylene also given, which is C2H2. Also calculate the volume of carbon dioxide formed. So in one question there is two question asked and one information is given. What is asked? That volume of oxygen required and volume of carbon dioxide formed. What are we provided with? So we are provided with that total volume of acetylene is 400. Okay, total volume of acetylene is 400 ml, and you want that amount of oxygen that burns this 400 ml of acetylene completely. Okay, so let's understand here. Okay, so let's forget that we have anything. So what do we do first in this question? We write down the chemical equation, balanced chemical equation, and whatever the stoichiometric coefficients, this is 2, 5, 4, 2 are called stoichiometric coefficients. Okay, so what do? We write 2 into dash. Instead of acetylene, we write down dash, that we do not know the volume of this acetylene, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Okay, that's what we need to find. Okay, now if we talk about only acetylene, that because the only volume of acetylene is given, okay, which is total volume is 400. So after writing this, whatever volume is given, we write down in below. Okay, below this we write down the total volume given. Okay, so total volume given are 400. Okay, understand 400. But what value will come over here? So see here, imagine 2 into dash is equals to 400. Understanding this part, 2 into dash is equal to 400. Now instead of dash, I will write a over here. Okay, so a 2 into a is equals to 400. Okay, and a is equals to 400 by 2. Why? When this 2 will get over here, it will make a 400 by 2. So a is equals to 200. Okay, now according to Gay Lussac's law, what Gay Lussac's law say? When gases react, the law of combining volumes of gases. What to say? That when gases react, they do so in volumes which bear simple whole number ratio to one another and to the volumes of the product. That is, reactants and products bear simple whole number ratio to each other. What is the ratio over here? 2:5:4:2. Okay, I think you got this. Okay, and provided the temperature and pressure is constant, which is STP. Okay, understood. So now this 200 we got. Now this 200 will come over here, here, here and here. Okay, do remember this thing, that whatever the value will come for the one space, blank space, this all blank space value will be same. If it is 100, 100 for all. Okay, I'm talking about the dash. So if I write down 100 over here, if it, let's suppose that answer came 100, so I have to write 100 over here. If the value come like this 200, then I'll put the 200 only. Okay, now see, 2 into 200 is 400. Cross verified? Correct. Okay, now that's it. This much we have to do, and now we have answer for everything. Okay, how much oxygen would be required? Sir, 200 into 5000 ml. So how much carbon dioxide formed? So 200 into 4, 800 ml of oxygen required. Sorry, carbon dioxide formed. How much water would have steam? How much steam would have been produced? So simple, 2 into 200, 400. Okay, you can do the rest of the steps for getting extra marks. Okay, for the marks of the steps, but by doing this much, you get the all answer of your questions. Okay, so simple, whatever the volume is given, try to find out the value of dash, the blank space like this, and that's it. Okay, I hope you got I hope your doubt is solved. If you still have any doubt or you did not got to, try to see the video again And still if you don't understand, or if you have any more doubt in general, you can comment down and we'll come back to you like this by making a video. Thank you so much.